Go.
Okay, make sure you can't try to get it. Stretch. Reach. Hurry up if you want it. You gotta get it. Gives up. Wait, he's doing something.
Use your hands, Matt.
Use your hand.
Let's put it a little bit closer. Just a bit.
Okay, right there. Okay, stick your hand through. There, just so you can touch it. Right there.
Oh. Too small. Hey! Can I come in now?
No?
Why?
Because I'm gonna give you Mario Brothers if you could get it.
No.
Well, fine then. Good day.
I want to play Mario.
Okay, we'll try get it then.
Too far.
Well, use your DS then.
Touch it.
Then you push it further.
I can't even get it. Brother, can we play some Halo?
Why, you don't want to play Mario Brothers anymore?
I want to play Halo.
Later.
I want to play Halo.
I want to play some Halo.
No,
Yeah.
no.
Why?
Because I'm busy.
Huh?
Because I'm busy.
Mario's still right there.
No.
Ooh, there's a light on here.
It's so
I
close.
can't.
Oh, you must not want to play it then. Good day.
I want to play Mario.
I can't, I'm too busy.
I want to play Mario. I want to play Mario.
Shut up, shh. You're gonna wake the neighbors. Oh, I locked it.
All right then.